Hey guys, today I've got a Whirlpool stainless steel 22 cubic feet refrigerator with bottom freezer, and I just wanted to do this video to show you real quick that it is in fact working like it's supposed to. I've got a temperature gun here, so essentially whatever is in between those two red dots, that's where it's going to take its measurement on the temperature. We're in Fahrenheit here, so before I fan this door and show you the inside, I figure we'll grab that temperature. 33, and I just put it on full blast. Should be right up between 34 and 36 is kind of where you want to be at when you've got it on that full blast setting there. So you can see, take a picture there for the ad. It's cooling perfectly in the fridge, and I'll show you that right there. 7 is as high as it'll go as far as being cold, and I always just put it on full blast. I'll show you the inside. It's nice and clean, like new condition. The door here, all the shelves are perfectly intact, no cracks or no damage or anything like that. Actually, I'll show you the tag here. Now I got a picture of that in the ad as well. We'll come down here to the freezer, pull that out. I'll shoot that in the back there, and you can see nice and cold. That measured about 5 below. It's got the ice maker, works perfectly. It drops the ice into that little bucket there. This pulls out. And both of these bins are easily removable for cleaning purposes, which is great. But plenty of space. You can see it's nice and cold, nice and clean. And once again, like I said, I just like to do these videos so you know when you spend your money, get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work like it's supposed to. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's how I like to sell my items. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks. Have a great day.